The main goal really was that I felt environmental media was mostly about was mostly owned by the hippies, and we love the hippies, but they're a very small category. And it was mostly about inspired by fear. I had seen that there's a lot of really cool green stuff out there. And so in my mind, I put it together and I could see this really exciting, cool green future that would appeal way beyond the hippies. But I just felt like we needed more, we needed more solutions, and we needed something that was more contemporary and exciting and something people could really get into. And so I think really now it's about getting people to understand the solutions that are out there and actually do them, and getting people to make more solutions. TreeHugger has some flavor to it, and it's fun. It's sort of like TreeHugger was never really TreeHugger, and that was the whole point. And so there was a bit of an insider, if you'd actually been to TreeHugger, you got it. That, okay, TreeHugger is not TreeHugger, and that's sort of cool and fun. And so it was a way of like taking back the name in a way. I think we inspired lots of entrepreneurs, and I think we helped make green cool.